Now let's take a look at the pair-matched case control study. So in this case, we still have the same target population. So let's keep that in mind. We know that the risk ratio was 33, like right here, we calculated that. The total population is 2 million. It's about half male and half females. And the risk in exposed versus the unexposed is 10 times in exposed compared to the unexposed, and 5 times in males compared to females. So there are a total of 4,740 cases. So now let's design a sex-matched case control study. We want to have a same ratio of 1:1 for cases and controls. So this is really technically would be like a frequency match, because at the end we're going to have a group of male, group of females. So if we decide that we want to match, because maybe we worry about sex being a confounder, and we believe that matching will help control for confounding by sex, then we might go ahead and match. So for every male case, we want a male control, and for every female case, we want a female control, so that the proportion of male and female in both groups will be the same. So we will recruit 4,550 male controls and 190 female controls. Controls represent the exposure distribution in the source population, so that we know that there will be 90% of male controls that will be exposed and 10% of female controls that will be exposed. That is because we know from the population. So we can calculate that, and these are the new numbers. From here, we can calculate, develop a 2x2 table. So now let's put everything together, combining both genders. And here will be the numbers. So we know that in the source population, we had an odds ratio of 10 for males and 10 for females. So after matching, if we took care of everything and we took care of sex as a confounder, we would expect to see 10 in this case. So let's calculate the odds ratio. Do we get 10 or do we get something different? We get 5. So did our match design control for confounding? We're getting a different odds ratio. So we did not. So the design alone did not take care of confounding.